Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading, and what we're showing you today is a really pretty, can I use that word in machinery? I think so. Rotary unscrambling table by Chase Logeman, American manufacturer, very noted, a lot of filling and packaging equipment. It's a 30-inch diameter table, and as you can see, it's out of healthcare service, so it's what we grade as a pharmaceutical grade stainless steel polish finish. It does have variable speed. It's operating on 120 volt. There's little controls over here, on off, and a variable speed. Slow the table down or inversely speed it up. Also has a lot of nice features on the table. See, you'll see everything is slotted underneath where the table attaches to its support frame, which is an anodized coated metal. And it has these two little adjustable rails, as well as one exit point on the table. We have lots of accumulating and unscrambling equipment in our stock, as well as everything in packaging and processing for the sanitary industries. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.